Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In this video, we are going to share 5 most practical tips with you, which will help you wake up early in the morning 100% guaranteed. If you follow our given 5 tips with 100% discipline, waking up early in the morning can be much easier. There could be only 2 reasons for not being able to sleep early at night. First is any psychological problem such as stress, overthinking, or depression. If this is the case, please consult a doctor. And the second reason could be your messed up sleeping routine, which you need to fix by following our suggestions. First, decide at what time you want to wake up. Whether it's 4 in the morning or 8, it's your choice. But you must ensure to get at least 8 hours of sleep daily if you want to stay productive the next day. Accordingly, 2 hours before the time you have decided to sleep at night, turn off your phone. If you have to sleep at 10, switch off your phone at 8 in the night. Also, keep your phone and earphones away from your bed. If you set an alarm on your phone, there's a feature where you can set your phone to switch off automatically after setting the alarm. And if this feature is not available, it's best to buy an alarm clock so you don't forget about waking up early, and then the next points won't matter. But if you're serious, number 2 is your purpose. Be strong. Remember when we have to catch an early train in the morning, how we wake up at 3 or 4 in the morning. That's because there's a strong reason behind waking up so early. So you also need to have a strong reason or purpose behind waking up early every morning. Don't make your reason that I just want to wake up early, or some of the world's most successful people wake up early, so I should too. You should have a solid reason. Now these could be your studies, your work, or your practice acts extra. After waking up early and getting fresh, you need to do the activity that is most important for you. The 3 to 4 hours after you wake up in the morning should not be completely free. You need to structure your time. Follow the number 3 follow a set time routine. Now comes the question, but what do we do in those 2 hours before sleeping? Look, it's difficult and boring in the beginning to not use your phone during these 2 hours before sleeping. But whenever we have to give up an old habit, we have to replace it with a new habit. So, you need to follow a routine during these 2 hours, where you do things you like, such as reading a book, self-help, or some story-based fiction book, whatever interests you. You can also do journaling or engage in your hobby or spend time with your family. And if you don't want to do anything, you can just stay normal instead of doing anything special. This routine should be something you enjoy. After setting the alarm, we often keep snoozing it or think of flying a little later and end up sleeping again instead of waking up. So from now on, you have to turn off your snooze option permanently and not make the mistake of setting 5-10 different alarm times. Just set one alarm. Keep the alarm clock or phone away from you so that you have to get up from bed to turn it off. Say to yourself in your mind, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get up straight from bed without thinking about anything. And once you're up, don't use your phone while lying on your bed. When we start something new outside our comfort zone, it's quite difficult in the beginning. So, in the initial few days of starting, you will face laziness, fatigue, focus problems, watery eyes, or the urge to sleep. Even if you feel like sleeping during the day, you shouldn't sleep. Instead, you need to develop the habit of this new routine in your body. Your body will also adapt to the new routine, and so will you. And after spending a few days or weeks starting, you will feel normal, and waking up early will become a habit. So, if you liked this video, click the like and subscribe button to support this channel's growth and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And if you want us to make a video on any other topic or problem, please let us know in the comment box. We will try to make a video on that problem because we want to help you here. Thank you for watching.